In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to locate the task layer in Google Calendar. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to Google Calendar. Once the calendar page has fully loaded, take a moment to get familiar with the layout on the screen. Google Calendar has a left sidebar that contains navigation tools, mini calendar options, and a section where your calendars and related layers are listed. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. This is where you'll find the section called My Calendars. Depending on your screen size or window layout, you may need to look slightly down the sidebar to spot it. The My Calendar section is important because it contains the different calendar layers and items connected to your account, including personal calendars, reminders, and tasks if they are enabled. When you've found My Calendars, pause there and make sure the section is expanded so you can actually see the list of items underneath it. If the sidebar looks collapsed or minimized, you may need to expand it first, so all available calendar options are visible. This helps ensure you can easily identify the correct row without confusion. Now, within the My Calendars list, look for the item labeled Tasks. This is the layer connected to Google Tasks inside Calendar. It may appear alongside your other calendar entries, and it usually behaves like a selectable row in the list. Be careful not to click too quickly if your goal is only to position your cursor for the next action. Once you've located the Tasks row, move your mouse over it and hover there. Holding your cursor over the Tasks layer item row is often necessary to reveal additional controls or options associated with that entry. If nothing appears immediately, keep the cursor steady for a moment. Small interface elements in Google Calendar can sometimes appear only when the row is actively hovered over. As a helpful tip, make sure you're hovering over the correct line and not a nearby calendar entry with a similar layout. If the sidebar is crowded, moving slowly and deliberately makes this much easier. It can also help to maximize your browser window so the labels are clearer and the interface has more space. At this point, you should have successfully opened Google Calendar in Chrome, found the My Calendar section in the left sidebar, and hovered over the Tasks layer item row. That